The following tutorial is describing a natural turn and reverse turn combination in the slow or International Waltz. Starting on the lead's left, at 45 degrees to the line of dance, or 57 minutes to the hour, using the clock face as a guide. The line of dance means anti-clockwise round the outside of the dance floor. Diagonally forward on the left. Side step on the lead's right. Close feet together, or slightly forward with the lead's left. Pivot to the right, on the right foot, 135 degrees, to look back along the line of dance. Using frame created by arms, to rotate partner, traveling to left in an open pose, to transfer weight when rotated. Back along the line of dance on the left. Pivot on the left foot, 135 degrees clockwise or to 37 minutes to the hour on a clock face, transferring weight to the right at end of turn. Close feet together, or slightly forward with the lead's left. Diagonally forward on the right to the side on the left. Close the right foot to the left, transferring weight to the right foot. Diagonally forward on the left. Rotate anti-clockwise 135 degrees, on left foot, before transferring weight, to the right foot. Then close left to right before transferring weight to right. Back along the line of dance on the right. Pivot anti-clockwise, on the right foot, 135 degrees, to face diagonally along the line of dance. 57 minutes to the hour, on a clock. Transfer weight to the left foot. Using the frame created by your arms, to rotate your partner. Then close the right foot to the left, transferring weight to the right foot. You are now ready to start your next pattern, on your left foot.